Whoa. Welcome to TrekTheValleys. Hello and welcome to TrekTheValleys. Today we're back at Ricos Mountain and I'm determined to find those waterfalls I missed last time. Trying a different route, coming from the other side, see if we can reach up into those waterfalls. I'm starting at
Hendre'r Mynydd.
and then I'm going to work my way. So this trail now is sort of going to be sort of spontaneous. So I'm going to see if I can make my way directly. If not, I might have to go round and come back the other way. So it's going to be sort of very spontaneous, definitely. Right, let's make a move. So I'm going off trail at the moment, following this small route. So this may take me to the top, overlooking maybe one of the waterfalls. So basically the waterfalls I'm looking for, I'm not sure what they named, but you can clearly see one right from here already. And then there's another one. So what I want to do is go to the top here and have a scout, look for trails and routes down to the bottom of these waterfalls. So I might have to come back on myself, come around, back up into the valley there. Or there may be routes down, maybe too steep, I'm not sure. I tried to look on the maps, it's very difficult. There's no routes coming down here. Nothing planned, so I'm just going to take a look and hope for the best, and we'll see what happens. Definitely a trail this way. Right, I found one of the smaller waterfalls, very nice. So I'm going to follow the trail now, around, following the river down, hopefully come to the next one. So this route was okay to come down, quite easy trail to follow, a bit steep in areas, but yeah, at least there was a trail to follow, and I got here relatively quickly. So hopefully the audio's okay because my mic's playing up at the moment, so I'll speak a little bit louder, but yeah, this is lovely. Let's make a move. Right, I'm back up. I just couldn't find a route back down. Just seemed to get more difficult having to cross the stream all the time, skipping the stones and trying to get across. It's getting a bit difficult. So back up we go. Right, back onto the main trail now. So I just went down this route, down to that little waterfall. I'm going to follow this route now to see if I can get a good view of the other one. Right, let's go. I found another cairn, Blaen Rhondda circular settlement. Very, very large and very, very interesting.
A large Ainid settlement on Hendre'r Mynydd, dated roughly 2,000 years ago. Hendre'r Mynydd translates to Old Ancient Village.
I can see that large waterfall in the distance. Not sure how to get there though. I'm tempted to walk to the edge there and have a look. Following that forestry path. Let's see what we can do. It's like Cairn City. There's loads of circular settlements here. Very, very interesting. And now we're coming into the sort of the colliery area then, the mining. There seems to be a little trail. I keep on diverting off all the time. But I just want to have a little look so I can get my bearings. Little monument. Plaques. Be honest, what a view. The rain is coming in early. It wasn't due to be in around till 5 o'clock. This was definitely coming in early. But I'm gonna have some amazing views from the top here. So come down a bit. Come down sideways. I hope this audio's okay. With my mic not working for some reason. It's just having a funny 5 minutes. It's not pairing. Right, I really need to take my time. Because I'm going away for work for a week to Germany, so I don't want to be hurting myself. That's going to cause major problems. Right. So as I said, I was being quite spontaneous with the route. I set a route for where I wanted to go. Basically it was a simple circular route and I mixed that up a bit, just trying to see if I can get to these waterfalls easier. Because the route never takes you to the waterfall, it takes you to the nearest easy path and then there's no possibility of getting down there. So you sort of got to look yourself and find the best way, and that might be from a completely different direction. But I'm taking a gamble. Worst case scenario, I can always turn back. But this is just a little experiment. You know what it's like when you do a hike, you have plans and you can't get to half the things on your plan. It's quite frustrating. So I've ticked one off. It's keep on chipping at it, and hopefully then you'll find good routes. You could pass that knowledge on. That's a lot easier for everyone else then. But the views here, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna have to get back up there later. Unless there's another route, we'll have to wait and see. See how much time I've got left and whether it starts to piss down or not. Right, there seems to be a path. I don't know whether there was an easier path coming down and come along here, but you know me, I always end up doing the harder way. Not because I want to, just because of stupidity. Right, so let's have a little look over the edge here, into the gorge, and then we maybe follow this path up and see what we can see. Well, if the rain comes in, I've got to shelter now for a little while. Shelter with a view. Right, let's look over the edge, if we can. Oh look, there's a waterfall. Right, let's follow this trail back up and see where that other trail takes us. Really interesting. This definitely looks like a decent trail. Do you know what? I've got a good feeling about this. This looks really promising. And also, it means I don't have to go right round the long way to get there. I still got my fingers crossed, but it's looking very, very promising. Could these be more settlements? I'll have to have a little look to see. If they are, I'll put the name of them in some text on the screen. But yeah, some look like fencing, some look like walls that have been made. Others then look like they could be pens or they could be settlements. But it's hard to know without checking the historical map. I'll check a bit later if I get a bit of time, and I'll let you know. Bridge. Right, do I follow this route or do I follow this route? Take us over the other side. Right, I've decided I'm going to continue up this route. It looks a lot better. But first, I might follow this down a little bit to see if I could see the top of the waterfall. Let's give that a try first. If not, I'll come back and see how far we can get up this way towards the other one. It seems to be all fenced off. Nice little area here. Alright, we've got little mini ones here. This trail is definitely following the river, so I'm definitely hoping it'll take me towards the waterfall. I will expect it to get a bit mucky here. So there's a path going that way. Do we go that way? Let's have a look over the brow here. Oh. Okay. I'll put the name of this in text. It looks really cool. I definitely need to cross from the waterfall, overflow from the waterfall. That looks amazing up there. I really hope I can get up to there. Whoa! Right, found another waterfall. Look at this bad boy. Not sure what it's called, and it's feeding the Nant Melon. So any ideas what this waterfall is called, let me know. I'll try to figure it out. I'll put some text overlay. Let's take a little look. Slippy, slippy. Right. Let's try it this way. Very slippy. Did want to try and get up there. Trying to find a safe way. I think this is the closest I'm going to get. But yeah, very impressive. So this is feeding Nant Melon. Right, so happy I got to those two waterfalls. Let's make our way back now. Bit too wet here. to have a cup of tea, and the rain is coming as well. So let's make a move back safely. It was a lot better, a safer getting down than it was getting up, because I knew what to expect. Right. Oh, look at these views. Let's go back down into the valley. Right, I want to get across here, definitely. For a nice safe way. Everything looks slippery. Right, because I just spotted another waterfall. Literally up here. We're going to see if we can get to this one. Right. Very slippery. Right, I got as far as I could to that waterfall. I couldn't get any further. I did have a nice view of it, but I would have liked to get closer to it. I lost the trail, there was no trail there, and also then as I was getting further, my feet were going into the holes. I didn't want to twist my ankle and risk it, so I came back. So right, I'm going to head back now, and let's see what we can see on the way back. But yeah, what a view here. What a view. There's another trail there, so I'm not sure where that will take us. Probably to another waterfall, maybe. Maybe if the weather was a bit better, we'll have a little look. Yeah, there's bound to be, isn't there? I think that's where we were originally. That river. With a smaller waterfall. I think that's where this river comes down. Yeah. Look at that cliff face there. Doesn't it look amazing? how it's etched out of the valley. This place is absolutely amazing, honestly. It's etched by nature and industry. Incredible. Right, that's the way I come down, but I'm going to go back this way just to see if there's anything different there. Let's have a little look. Got a difference in the weather from yesterday. Typical. Well, it is bank holiday weekend, what do we expect? Oh. Ah, there we are. Oh, so we just come all the way from that gorge up here, up the steps to the top. We're just gonna make our way up there now. Oof, those steps are a bit of a workout. Ah, good stuff. Right, let's have a little look here. Right, so from where I parked, you cross the road, go through the sty, take a right, and then you're following this path all the way down. So when you come down to this level, just here you take another right, then you follow the steps all the way down, and then follow the trail then all the way into the cove, right all the way until you come to the waterfalls. As I mentioned, I got to the one easy. It was a bit fiddly, but I got there, which you can see in the distance there. It's quite a bit of a distance. And then the other one's on the opposite side, but that was a bit more difficult to get to. But I'll get there one day, definitely. Even if I have to abseil. But yeah, that's the easiest way, so follow this route down. Just down here there's a right, and then there's steps then. They've made steps, which is pretty good, all the way down. Then follow it round then. Don't come down this like I did, skiing down this. Come down the safer route. To be honest, coming this way is probably a lot quicker. This coming up is not, but coming down this way is a lot quicker than trying to get down this. And in bad weather, you've got no chance getting down there unless you got your skis, especially if any motorbikes riding up and down there. So yeah, come down this path instead. Right, nearly back to the car. So on the path now, and I can see now the one waterfall there, another one there, and the one in the cove, and we've seen one just down here. There we are. Bit of a success today, but you never know until you try. Right. They've got barbecue pits and seating areas. That's cool. Right, back of the car, and the rain is really coming down now. I'm absolutely soaking, but it was well worth it. As I said, bit of a waterfall hunt today. Not quite sure what the waterfalls are called. I'll have to do some investigation, but I managed to get to most that I wanted to get to. So really interesting. Quite a physical hike, getting down into that gorge and getting back up, but very good. Video, give me a thumbs up. Any comments, especially if you know exactly what those waterfalls are called, especially the second one I was trying to get to. Any help on getting to that one be much appreciated, and always subscribe to Trek the Valleys. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching.